In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and edit a list using Google Sheets, ensuring that you can make quick changes with ease while maintaining accuracy throughout your document. Let's dive right into the process, starting from opening your Google Sheet to finalizing your edits. First, ensure that you have access to the Google Sheet you want to work on. Launch your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Then open the specific document you've planned to edit. Familiarity with your document and its structure can save you a significant amount of time during this process. Once you have your Google Sheet open, you need to identify the item in your list that you'd like to edit. Locating and selecting this item accurately is crucial since it sets the stage for all the subsequent editing actions you're about to perform. After selecting the item, the next step is to find the Edit option on your menu. Clicking on this option typically gives you numerous choices on how you can manipulate the content within your spreadsheet. To streamline the changes you want to implement across your list, select Find and Replace. This tool is incredibly powerful in helping you manage large data sets by allowing simultaneous edits, saving you the hassle of making individual changes manually. In the Find field, type an open parenthesis. This marks the starting point of your modification sequence. After this, move on to the Replace With field. Here, you will need to type an apostrophe followed by a plus sign, the number 1, a space, and finally an open parenthesis. This combination will adjust your data format, ensuring that subsequent calculations or data recognition by other programs do not encounter issues. With everything in place, click on Replace All. This will initiate the action across the entire spreadsheet, swiftly applying your desired changes. It's a powerful function within Google Sheets that will execute your command on every identified instance throughout the document. Take a moment to check the list to ensure that the adjustments have been implemented correctly. A thorough review is always advisable to confirm accuracy and consistency across all affected data entries. Finally, once you are satisfied with the changes you've made, click on Done. This final step confirms the completion of your editing session and locks in all adjustments, ensuring your document is updated and any discrepancies are ironed out. That's it. You've successfully navigated through editing a Google Sheet using the Find and Replace function. Practice these steps regularly and you'll find your workflow becoming significantly smoother, boosting both your productivity and your confidence in handling large data